What if I told you this tiny kernel hides an explosive secret? The journey begins in carefully grown cornfields, where premium popcorn kernels are harvested at just the right moisture level before being transported to a modern factory, where science and precision prepare them for an incredible transformation. Before a single kernel can pop, it must survive a series of rigorous tests. Every kernel is cleaned, sorted, and conditioned with remarkable accuracy, ensuring that only the highest quality popcorn moves forward to the next stage of production. This is the exact moment when an ordinary kernel becomes the snack loved around the world. Inside powerful industrial poppers, intense heat builds pressure until each kernel bursts into fluffy popcorn. Then automated systems season every batch with perfect consistency and flavor. But the journey isn't over yet. Every bite still has to earn its place on the shelf. After passing strict quality inspections, freshly made popcorn is carefully packaged, sealed for freshness, boxed, and shipped across the country, ready to become the next movie night favorite.